The nation in mourning as we say our final goodbye to Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg.
Because of Justice Ginsburg, I can have a credit card in my own name. Because of her, then I know that I have a right to be paid equally as my male counterparts. I cannot be discriminated in the terms and conditions of my work because of what she did on behalf of women, on behalf of Americans. We owe a lot to Justice Ginsburg.
Here at Rutgers Law School, where Justice Ginsburg was a professor of law for 10 years, they're celebrating her legacy.
Our law school has definitely took this hard. It's several alumni have spoken about it and how they've seen her as a leader, someone that really inspired them to be advocates in the law. And we think that for us, it was hard. A lot of us really looked up to RBG, and it's hard to know that we lost such an icon.
Professor Rose Cuison-Villazor is a law professor here at Rutgers.
Justice Ginsburg is my hero. She's one of my heroes, and I'm personally really sad about her passing, and what I can do is to continue the fight that she left behind.
And she brings the fight straight into the classroom.
In my own class, I always tell my students it's not only important to know what the law is, but what the law should be. And Justice Ginsburg taught us that, right? She taught us that whatever the law said about men, whatever the law said about privileging men, she knew that that was not right, and she did something about it. She argued before the U.S. Supreme Court and said that the 14th Amendment's Equal Protection Clause applies to women too. And so to me, that's her legacy. You don't just stop at what the law says, you argue and you advocate for what the law should be.
Reporting in Newark, Emily Young, New Jersey News Network.